security or internet security is one of the main concern of today, but we remain very casual with our email accounts, rather for most of us our Gmail accounts. So this week make a check of your Gmail account, because in this video I will be telling you how to check if your Gmail account is accessed by someone else in the smartphone, and how to sign out web sessions of your Gmail account if you have accidentally left it open at a computer cafe or at your friend's laptop or computer. So without wasting any more time, namaste friends, let's begin. So first of all, open your Gmail account. Click on this matrix shaped option, which is a Google app tray. A menu will open like this, where you will find this blue logo named My Account. Click on My Account and a page like this will open, where on the left side you will find Sign in and Security option. Click on Sign in and Security, and a page like this will open, where you will find an option named Device Activity and Security Events under Sign in and Security. Click on it, and the next page, if you scroll little bit downwards, you will get to see the list of some of the devices and browsers you are logged in from, in which you will find an option for Review Devices. Click on Review Devices and a list will be in front of you, which will show you all the devices you are signed in into. Like here, I have accessed my Gmail account from my Lenovo ZUK Z2 Plus mobile phone. When I just click on it, see the remove option comes. Click on it and you will be logged out. Like this, if you see some other phone name that you are not using and it is still listed on this page, you know how to remove that. But in case of browser, you have to again come to the home page of your Gmail account, and on the downmost right corner of your account you will find an option Details. Click on Details and a window like this will open, and you will see an option for Sign out all other web sessions. Just simply click on Sign out all other web sessions and you will be signed out from every web session that you were active. So just have a check on your Gmail account if all these things are okay. I hope this video will help you to secure your Gmail account. So please like and share, and for more videos like this, subscribe. Also follow my Instagram account @GyanGeek for regular updates.